Towards the end of January, really for the last couple of months, I feel like I had just been so distracted. My mind was just feeling so cluttered that I felt like, okay, I really need some sort of reset. I really need to take a break from my phone, take a break from just, intaking all of this media, whether it's shows or social media. So the only media related thing I've been on in the last couple of days is just, some of you guys know that I have an online shop, so just kind of checking that to make sure I wasn't missing any sales or anything like that. But today I will end up going on Instagram just really briefly, because on Sundays I like to put up new items, so I'm gonna do that and then update the website. So today is Sunday, it's the last day of January, so this is just the perfect time for a reset. I mean, I think resets can happen at any time, but I'm excited to just kind of get a bit more organized, set a couple goals potentially for the next month, and just feel a little bit more organized. So earlier this morning at 9 a.m. I just logged into my church service, and now the other part of my reset will just be spending a little bit more time with God, journaling, praying, reading my word, and that will be my first reset, especially because, like I said, my mind has just been feeling a little bit cluttered. So just journaling and getting all of that out has been really helpful. For you. One thing that has been really helpful for me to just kind of reset and organize has been a planner, and I've been using this digital planner. So in January it was really helpful for me. I was able to set different goals or to-do lists for each day, which was really nice. So I'm just gonna kind of reflect on the last month, see what worked, see what didn't work, and then just try to set some goals for this new month. So my major goal for January was just to submit all of my grad school applications, so I'm happy that I could cross that off. But some of my personal goals I didn't quite get. Like, I had a specific savings goal that I didn't hit. I also said that I would put out 3 YouTube videos. For me personally, January was a little bit challenging. I feel like I spent the last 2 months of 2020 back home with my parents, and then I came back here to start off the new year. But when I came back, I was just kind of uncertain with how like, okay, what is life gonna look like now? I don't know, I'm still trying to just give things to God and just know that, all things are working out for my good, even when I can't see what the outcome is. Still uncertain about what this year is gonna look like. I think we all are, it's not just me. Uncertainty can bring about weariness, and I think that for a lot of January I just felt very weary in the unknowns. But this fast has been really helpful so far. Just allowed me to really just dig deeper in God's word, and that's where I'm finding my rest.
Trying to find my way back to you. Trying to find my way back to you. Trying to find my way back to you. Trying to find my way back to you.
So fly like angels, most high, the praises go high, we praise him. So fly like flies, both ties in love, we both find the truth, that you're mine and God, I'm yours, my feelings contort, and I am so sure that I am your boy. And here in your voice, ignoring the lies for you, I will fight, cause this is a war. I load and start busting, cause I am in love with thee. When I'm feeling down, you're the best company, and even when I'm going back, you are in front of me. Always straight loving me, even though I might be losing, you're in love with me. Somehow you're never done with me. Even when I'm done with me, somehow you keep loving me. Am I what?
Trying to find my way back to you.
So after just tidying up a little bit, doing some dishes and all of that, I just hopped in the shower. I feel like in January I wasn't so consistent with my skincare routine. Hopefully this month I will be more consistent. So I usually wash my face when I'm in the shower, but I thought I would do it out here. I've been using this spin brush for the last 3 months. When did I get this? I got this in like October, November, I think, from this brand called Duvolle. And I honestly can't picture going back to not using the spin brush. I feel like it's become part of my skincare routine when I'm good at doing it. And now when I go and wash my face, I always grab this. And if you guys have watched a few of my morning routines, you guys know that I love me some Cetaphil, and I just really like their gentle skin cleanser. But for me, I have sensitive skin and I always was nervous to get a brush. I think I had a few friends recommend using a spin brush, but I thought that because I had, you know, acne prone sensitive skin, it would be detrimental. But so far, I feel like it's been actually really nice for my skin. Take some photos today, so I'm gonna do my makeup, and I've really been wanting to share with you guys some makeup that I have been loving. Back around November as well, I was reached out to by this new makeup brand called Beret Beauty, which is a minimalist beauty brand, and they're cruelty free, they're vegan, they have sustainable packaging. All of it was right up my alley. So this makeup bag that it comes in is so pretty that it's now just part of my bathroom decor. I really love it, and now I actually just keep all my makeup in here, not just their products. I just use this as my general makeup bag. Your makeup is not coming out, so this was really good to travel with. The makeup line only has like 7 products in it, which I think is really cool. It adds to that whole idea of minimalist beauty and that idea of being able to do your makeup in like 5 minutes. And I just like that the products are really lightweight. I think that during this pandemic, it felt so weird for me when I started wearing makeup again, and it just felt weird using heavy products because 1, where am I going? 2, after not wearing makeup regularly for months, it just feels weird when there's a lot on my skin. So I've really been enjoying their products. Of the show for me is their product called the Minimalist, which is a mix between concealer and foundation, and this is what I've been using on my skin for the last 3 or 4 months anytime that I do decide to do my makeup. I feel like it honestly just kind of looks like skin. It doesn't look heavy, it looks super natural. So when I'm stepping out, I typically would use the NARS concealer under my eye, but now I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm just going to set my face with the Laura Mercier powder. Okay, so now it's 3 o'clock and I'm taking out my phone for the first time. And now I'm just going to be taking pictures for my shop. I meant to do this a few days ago so that I wouldn't have to be on my phone for it, but I didn't end up doing it, so here we are. Session and just grabbed some food. I was thinking that I would order dinner tonight because I do need to go grocery shopping. I meant to today, but it's been snowing pretty much all day and I just didn't want to do all of that. But yeah, so I finished with my counseling session. It was honestly so good. So right now I'm just gonna finish eating. I think while I'm eating, I'm gonna just work on editing those photos that I took today and cropping them and all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna upload them onto the website. I need to change out of this top though real quick before I eat this pasta, because I just checked online and saw that this top was just sold. I was using it to take a photo of the pants that I'm wearing, so let me go change real quick. Migrated to my bed, but I'm still working on the shop stuff, so I'm still just uploading pictures and editing, and it's taking a little longer than I had hoped because I'm putting out more things than I usually put out. And then after that, I'm just gonna read on my iPad. I'm reading this book about indecisiveness and about how to just be firm and more assertive and more decisive. So it's been really good so far, but I feel really good. It feels like today was a bit more of a productive day, but also relaxing. It wasn't too hectic or anything. I made myself some green juice. So I finally finished uploading all the items. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along my day with me and just resetting. It feels really good, honestly. I'm happy that I took yesterday and today to just kind of get my life a little bit more organized and just have moments to rest and to breathe and just to take it slow. And tomorrow is a new month. Tomorrow is the 1st of February. And I'm honestly looking forward to this new month. I think I need to do this at the end of every month, just take a few days away from being online. So I think I'm gonna upload this probably the 1st or 2nd week of February, and at that point it's no longer gonna be like a new month, but I do still think that resets can happen at any time. It's those little things: tidying up, laundry, cleaning our room, journaling, praying. I'm gonna just read maybe 10 or 15 minutes from my book, and yeah, then I'll call it a night. But I hope that you guys have an amazing day whenever you're watching this. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.